Sonar technology is used primarily for predicting the weather, mapping the ocean floor, taking times rays, cooking food. Mapping the ocean floor. Sonar, sound navigation and ranging, uses sound echoes to detect objects underwater. What type of wave is sound? Electromagnetic wave, longitudinal wave, transverse wave, radio wave. Longitudinal wave. Sound is a longitudinal wave because particles of the medium vibrate back and forth in the same direction the wave travels. A sonic boom occurs when an object travels faster than the speed of light, slower than 100 miles per hour, in a circle, faster than the speed of sound. Faster than the speed of sound. When an aircraft breaks the sound barrier, it creates a massive shock wave heard as a loud boom. Which medium would sound travel through most slowly? Iron, cold air, hot air, water. Cold air. Sound travels slowest in gases, and even slower when that gas is cold because the molecules have less kinetic energy.